Hi friends, today I am going to explain about at the right get mapping annotation in SpringBoot. Okay, in previous class I explained about at the right post map annotation. Here we are using at the right get mapping annotation to get the data from the database. This is the get employee details is the REST endpoint. It is at the right get mapping annotation. At the right get mapping annotation is equal to at the right request mapping and request dot method. Okay, so here we in previous class I explained about controller layer, service implementation and repository. So if we want to get the data from the database, here we are using the Spring Data JPA, and in Spring Data JPA we are extends Mongo repository to get the data from the database. It is automatically connect the database, and in Mongo repository we have some predefined methods. Okay, here service in service interface we are written one method, that is get employee details. Okay, here we are returning the list of employee details. So in service implementation we are calling the this is the service implementation method we are implemented by using the here we are calling the repository. Okay, employee details repository. In this repository we are using find all existing method into the Spring Data JPA. Okay, this what will happen here whenever we are calling this from controller layer. When we are hitting this at the rate get employee details REST endpoint, so it is comes into the get employee details method. After then it is calling the employee details service get employee details method. Get employee details we are implemented here. So in this get employee details we are implemented this get employee details. Here we are calling the get employee details repo find all method. You can see this find all it comes under Mongo repository. Okay, this is the Mongo repository interface. So you can see here employee details. This is the get employee details is the REST endpoint. I am testing this REST endpoint by using Postman. You can see here Postman. This is the base URL. I am passing this REST endpoint get employee details here. Once you click on get employee details here, you can see you will get the data. For example, here I am passing get employee details 1. You can see you will get the error here because of this REST endpoint is not available in our application. This is only get employee details is available here. So you can remove and you can see you can get employee details. This is about the get employee details. Here the one main interview question here, what is meant by get mapping? Like okay, get mapping is equal to at the right request mapping plus here you can see you can open at the right get mapping and request mapping and request method is get. Here if you are using at the right get mapping, no need to declare this at method level. Okay, this is the one question interval will be asked. Yeah, thank you for watching. In next class I will explain about how to get the particular employee info based on the path variable. Okay, thank you for watching.